Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Megan Risica and I'm a fashion and lifestyle vlogger. If you are not new here, welcome back. And today, this is long overdue. I am at Trader Joe's. Their fall stuff has arrived and it's time to shop. I have not been to Trader Joe's almost all summer because I've been that busy. So the last haul you saw on here was the last time I was at Trader Joe's, which is absolutely wild. So let's get started with today's video. I'm so excited. So this is the first half of the haul. I spent $311 and the people at Trader Joe's asked if I needed help loading my car. So that's where we're at with all of this yummy stuff. And I think I have 3 more bags. So this is gonna be the first round, lots of seasonal stuff as you can see. And then we will move into the other 3 bags, which I'm sure there's more seasonal stuff in those bags as well. But let's get started. So the first thing is the pumpkin cheesecake, a family favorite. We usually get a couple of these throughout the season. We love the pumpkin cheesecake. These pumpkin sticky toffee cakes are also delicious. Again, so good with just ice cream on top of them. They are so yummy. I have not had these yet. I've had obviously the little mini hold the cones, but I haven't had the pumpkin ginger ones yet. Again, another seasonal item. If you turn this around too, I can't remember how many calories are in them. So 3 cones are 260 calories, but I'll just eat 1 if I need a sweet treat, and that will kind of like tide me over. So these could be a little more healthy if you just need something sweet and you just eat 1. These are a new to me item. These are the pumpkin cheesecake croissants, ready to bake. Again, these sound amazing. I got the last one in the store and I think it was like the last one as well. This is also a favorite for me. The Gone Bananas is just dark chocolate covered banana slices, but again, this is a sweet treat that I like to eat if I'm just like craving something sweet. So I really like these. I believe that this is a new item as well. This is the butternut squash lasagna. So it's eggplant layered with a butternut squash sauce, Italian cheese topped with breadcrumbs and pumpkin seeds. That sounds really delicious to me as well. Again, like an easy meal for the weekday to just kind of throw in the oven. And tonight we're gonna have this thinly sliced chicken breast. Again, kind of random. And then I also got the pumpkin ice cream. David and I both love this, so I scooped that up because they go really quick. I also got the pumpkin spice lattes. They're so good. I would get more of these, but I felt bad because they were like running low. And once they're gone, they're gone. So I just got 2 so other people could enjoy them. I got the apple cider scented foaming hand soap and the pumpkin waffles. Again, just an easy breakfast item to keep around. All right, moving over, I'm gonna try to get through some of the refrigerated and freezer items. I just pulled that out. I got the Mediterranean style orzo pasta salad for dinner tonight, along with some salmon, just frozen salmon. My mom loves these little blueberries in her yogurt and overnight oats, all of that. So these are seasonal too. They disappear, so I always try to pick up a couple for her when I'm at Trader Joe's. The sweet and savory chicken, oh my gosh, it's delicious. Again, it's like a seasonal item as well, so I grabbed that. The pork gyoza pot stickers, we usually eat these for lunch. Again, it's just like a quick, simple, easy meal to just have for lunch. This is a new to me item. This is the sun-dried tomato and basil chicken tenders. Those sound amazing as well. I think that'd be a really great kind of fall dish with like pasta. So that's kind of where my mind's going to use those. I got the rice cauliflower butternut squash risotto. Again, another easy kind of fall meal. The maple chicken breakfast sausages. I think I'm gonna do like a French toast for David and I, either for breakfast for dinner or just brunch or breakfast sometime this week. I also got the Spanish style rice. Again, this is an item that if you watch my hauls, I pick them up pretty regularly. I just keep it around. Delicious. These are a new to me item. I think they're only here for the like end of summer, beginning of fall, but that's the grilled chimichurri chicken skewers. Again, really excited to cook with these with just like corn, maybe some cucumbers. Easy, just like on the grill items and seasonal. All right, I think this is the last of the refrigerated and frozen items. I got these little lobster tails, even though they're not really lobster tails. I have ravioli from the farmer's market, my local farmer's market, that are lobster wraps. So I thought this would be really good to add to the lobster wrap, just more meat, more protein, I guess. This cauliflower egg frittata is one of my favorite things for breakfast. Again, just to eat with a couple pieces of bacon. It's just a really quick, easy meal. I got the buttermilk ranch dressing. Again, this is a new to me item. I haven't tried this brand of ranch from Target. I also got pesto sauce. This is for dinner tonight. Baby broccolini, again for breakfast for dinner tonight. I got Boursin for another meal. This mozzarella pearls, and this mozzarella is also for dinner tonight. All right, more to come. I had to do a work meeting. I got a couple cards. I just love Trader Joe's cards. They're just so easy, convenient. I also got these pumpkin blondie brownies. These sound amazing. I also got the Honeycrisp apple scented candle, blondie bars, the Halloween JoJo's, my favorite, maple syrup, the autumn harvest pasta sauce. I really like this one, and I really love this harvest soup too. It's delicious. I got the pumpkin body scrub and the pumpkin body butter. Again, these are back, again, a favorite. The apple cider foaming hand soap. A couple different treats for the dogs. I got the salmon and sweet potato and just the salmon skin, which I get just about every time I go to Trader Joe's. Another item I get just about every time I go to Trader Joe's are the Carb Savvy tortillas. The gluten-free English muffins are for my friend Andrea. I'm putting them in the freezer for her. I also got this. This is new, a new to me item, the bourbon vanilla extract, avocado oil. Then I think almost everything else is seasonal. I got the pumpkin flavored JoJo's. This is one of David's favorites. I got this really cute pasta. It reminds me of candy corn, but I don't even think it's like fall. It's just cute. And speaking of more fall cuteness, I got these noodles. They're butternut squash noodles, and they're shaped like little pumpkins. Some basil. The pumpkin spice teeny tiny pretzels. Pumpkin O's, so they're like Cheerios, but pumpkin flavored. A couple of organic pumpkin cans for the dogs. Pumpkin chocolate chip cookie mix. This Rosa pesto sauce is another favorite. Sun-dried tomatoes, that's for today's dinner. I'm gonna set aside. The truffle balsamic glaze. This was a new to me item that I was really excited about. So that's going in my refrigerator. The pumpkin pancake and waffle mix. Pumpkin pancakes sound delicious to me. I got the Gyoza dipping sauce. Pumpkin bagels, another favorite. I couldn't find the pumpkin cream cheese that goes with that though. So I'm gonna put these in the freezer and then hopefully be able to find some sort of like pumpkin spice cream cheese to take along with me. And I got the pumpkin brioche twist. I'm gonna make this again for like French toast with those maple sausage links. And oh my gosh, I made it through everything. This haul, I kind of went through everything fast, but there was just so much stuff. I bought so many goodies, but I think it was a pretty good haul. I got a lot of the seasonal stuff.